Number 5. Number 4.
You would never use a cordless tool to do a job this intense. Till FlexVolt, a new line of DeWalt cordless tools that have the power of a corded tool. With innovations like the world's first battery pack that automatically changes voltage when you change tools. And our new powerful 60-volt brushless motor that can rip through materials you commonly use. Along with the features you expect from DeWalt, like an accurate rack and pinion fence with a full 24-inch rip capacity. And since it's a cordless tool, you're never chained to a cord or a power outlet, so you have the freedom to move from job to job to job, with enough runtime to get the work done, and a battery that adds runtime to existing DeWalt 20-volt max tools. All part of the most advanced cordless system we've ever created. FlexVolt, power of corded, freedom of cordless. Built, guaranteed tough by DeWalt.
Number 3.
Tasks in and around your home are different. But with one powerful interchangeable battery system, you can tackle them your way. With the right tool and plenty of power at hand. Use the interchangeable battery system for convenience and savings. Whether it's a labor of love, your pursuit of perfection, or just something to get done so the fun can begin. One system, endless tasks. With the Black & Decker 20-volt max system, you have power for your style.
Number 2.
Make finish work easy with the Craftsman 18-gauge brad nailer. Oil-free motor for long life and ease of use, and the power to drive up to 2-inch brad nails into engineered lumber. A tool-free jam-clear release mechanism makes it easy to remove jammed nails, while the depth of drive adjustment allows you to set nail heads precisely. Get the job done the right way with the Craftsman 18-gauge brad nailer. Craftsman, we build pride.
Number 1.